The last app that I want to talk about here is Power BI. Power BI is going to help you or help your leadership work with the data across so many things. I mean, you can get a lot of, like, within the SharePoint world, you can get SharePoint utilization data in Power BI so you can understand who's using what kind of, who's using SharePoint throughout your site and whatnot. You can take these Power BI reports, put them into Excel, put them into Outlook, work with them within the apps that you use. There's really just a lot here. And if you need data visualizations, to me, Power BI is where you start. How I start with this, how I suggest clients work with this is Power BI there's a freemium version based within your M365 license, most likely. Start to work with that, and then the people that need the data, those would be the ones that you'd be assigning those licenses to build the dashboards, to build the reports, to get the visualizations that they need, to be able to then augment that, to discover new information, to get the patterns out of the data, to be able to help make better business decisions. So